Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to lock apps on iPhone with Face ID or passcode. Right now, I will show you the updated method to lock your iPhone any apps with Face ID or passcode. First of all, you have to install the shortcut app on your iPhone. So go to App Store and simply search for shortcut, and all you have to need install shortcut app on your iPhone. Once it's installed, launch the shortcut app and here select shortcut. Now to create a new shortcut, tap on this plus icon, tap on add action. In the search box, type here lock screen and search for it. Select lock screen, tap on done. Once the lock screen shortcut created, now we will create a new automation to lock our apps. So go to automation and select new automation. And in the search box, type here app and select app. Tap on choose, and now if you want to lock a single app, just select the app that you want to lock. And you can also lock multiple apps at the same time. In this case, just select those apps you want to lock. Then tap on done and here select is opened and select run immediately and disable notify when run option. And then tap on next and tap on my shortcuts. And here select the lock screen shortcut you just created, and that's it. So here, as you can see, I've locked my Discord and Gmail and Instagram app. Now if I try to open my Discord app, as you can see, my screen is automatically locked through the shortcut or automation. Now to open my locked apps, I have to verify my Face ID or my passcode. And then I'll be able to use the app. So this is how we can lock apps on iPhone with Face ID or passcode. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.